Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sandhya and this video is all about how I decorated this small bedroom of mine. So stay tuned for it. So guys, first things first, I just want to tell you a little bit about this room. So this room is really small. So small in the sense that if I just put one queen size bed in this room, I would have just enough space to walk around. And also in the corner of this room, I had little space to put my study table. Other than that, I practically do not have any space to put any decor on the floor or around the bed. So whatever the decor I have done in this room is all up the wall. So I'm going to take you to different corners of this room and I'm show you how I've decorated the space. So guys, this is the entrance of my room. So as soon as you enter, you would see the shelf. So this shelf is from Fablu and I'm going to link all the product links in the description below. So if you're interested, you can buy them. So this is a multi-purpose shelf and it comes with this one space to put your decor items or books, and below that you have these strong hooks where you can hang your handbags and masks or anything. And so in between the shelf, I have put fairy lights to add a lighting element. I have added few photo frames and a little bit plants, and on the top of it I really wanted this look of this money plant falling through the shelf, so added this money plant with jute basket and then some books over here. So this is how I completed the look of the entrance of my room. So guys, the next is the corners of the room. So this room has only two corners where I can put a corner decor. So one side I have put my study table, the other side I have chose the plants corner. And the reason I chose plants in this corner is this window is to the corner and I can get an ample light and ample wind for the plants, so that's why I chose this corner. Okay, to start with this corner, I always wanted a huge plant in my bedroom and I did a lot of research. I wanted to go for Erica palm and I wanted to go for other indoor plants, but then finally when I saw this fig plant in one of the nurseries, I just fell in love with it. And by the way, I bought this fig plant during my second lockdown. So there is a nursery in Bangalore and they've agreed to deliver this plant during the second lockdown. So I bought this plant. So when I bought it, it was like almost my height, and then I am so glad it grew taller. And moving on to the frames, so these are the frames that I bought from Best of Bharat. So I really wanted the quirky element and the colorful element in the room, so I bought these things. And I also want to stick with the more of a botanical theme, so I bought these botanical frames from Best of Bharat, and I really love the colors of this Marilyn Monroe. And when I saw this, I just wanted to have this in my room. So this is also from Best of Bharat. So moving on to the wall shelf, the wall shelf is from IKEA. I'm also going to link the link in the description. So I put different decor elements here, and most of them you can see that they are my DIY elements. If you're not following me on Instagram, you should follow. My Instagram handle is Pink Pebble. In that you will see how I have done all these DIYs. So there are some candle holders, there's a flower vase, and the Bruno's canvas that you see has been gifted by one of the brand. And then to finish this look, I have added the money plant here. So even this money plant was really small, but it also started growing longer by the day. So now I'm going to show you the next corner. So guys, next comes the my work from home corner, and because the room is really small, I had to categorically select this small table from Furler & Co. And also I did not want to put a lot of decor items on the table and clutter it, because I would be spending a lot of time working on my desk, at least like 10 to 15 hours a day, and I really wanted a clean desk. So I put one fern plant on it and few scented candles and a little bit of fairy lights. And towards my left you will see a vintage blue color mirror. So if you've seen on my Instagram that how I have recreated the vintage mirror look into the chalk blue finish look. So this is how I completed the look of my work from home desk. So guys, this is the last part of the decor, and this is the wall next to my bed. And this place took me nearly 4 months to complete it, because each and everything what you see on this wall is handmade by me, and you must have seen it in all my DIY videos on my Instagram. So start with the furnishing. So the curtains and the quilt and the pillows all been sponsored by one of the brand. It's called Ethnic Nari. So I really like the floral print and the colors of the thing, because the moment I saw these blankets and these pillows, I really thought that it will match with the decor and the color add-ons what I have in this room. And moving on to this wall, all this mirror DIY except this macrame mirror. Macrame mirror is gifted by my friend, and you should go check out her Instagram handle. It's Tale of Knots. She has hand knitted this beautiful macrame mirror, and the rest of the mirrors and the jute stuff what you see is as a part of my DIYs. So if you want to know how I made them, go check out my reels, and some of my reels also went viral, and as a result I got a lot of followers on Instagram. And if you are my Instagram follower and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, thank you so much for promoting me. So this is how I completed this look of this wall, and now I'm going to show you how I got this fairy lights and the curtains up on the wall. So guys, the last decor is this white curtain, and this is not a curtain, in fact this is a white sari, and because of this entire decor got this dramatic fairy tale kind of a look. So this sari is just 350 rupees on Amazon. I'm going to link it in the description. So I bought 2 iron brackets, and I have drilled them to each side of the corners, and I have hung the sari, and to secure them tightly I have used mini clips to pin them to the brackets, and also added this entire fairy light string to it, and this also I bought from Amazon. And because this wall is not strong enough that I could not hang heavy plants, so that's why I chose this light jute baskets. These are also part of my DIY. So this is how I completed the look of this room. So guys, this is the end of my room tour video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm going to leave all the links in the description. Go ahead and click and buy, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment, and I'm very prompt in replying to your comments. And if you're not already following me on Instagram, go ahead and check Pink Pebble, and you will see amazing travel and home decor content. And also this is the last few weeks that I'll be staying in this room, because in few weeks I'm going to shift to a new apartment. It is one of my dreamy apartment, and I'm just can't wait to shift, and I'm going to show you the entire apartment tour, so stay tuned for it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next home decor video. Bye bye.